Most Scout programs that are out there, you'll be one of 5,000. You will not understand how to go out and actually source deals or what constitutes a deal worth investing in. Instead of us going down that same path, what we decided to do was create a venture fellowship program where we teach you for the first 8 weeks how to not only source deals, but how to evaluate them and teach you the underlying math around venture to give you a significantly better understanding of how to source great deals. We take you through concepts like power law, why market size matters.
This program really allows us to get closer to experts who are in this field every day and working on exciting new things.
I've been doing this for about 10 years. When I first got into it, there wasn't really a roadmap of understanding. You just kind of had to figure it out on your own. Our goal is to be able to put you in pole position to be able to get a job in VC. A lot of the time it is network based, and so we want to make sure that you're out there networking, building that network, and learning how to source deals.
The Venture Fellow program has been a great resource to learn about venture and get my foot in the door in the industry. I've been learning how to perform due diligence and source deals, and through these experiences, I was able to build a stronger network and eventually land my first venture role.
We've had hundreds of fellows come through the program. A lot of the underlying value is not just in the content that you're learning, but the network that you're actually joining. We've had Harvard professors, as well as every single top university alumni represented come through the actual program. The classes are 8 weeks long. You're gonna have an hour of live discussion with me on the call, along with 1 to 2 hours of homework.
I'm really enjoying the homework that we've been given by the program so far because it's very relevant, it's very practical, and it's encouraged me to look into different aspects of VC.
The goal of the course is to get you to start thinking critically. A lot of the time at the early stage, there is no silver bullet or the specific right answer. We give you a lot of scenarios that could lean either way to really get your brain thinking. At the end of the 8 weeks, you graduate into the community where we do bi-weekly deal review of not only cold decks that the fellows bring in, but on special occasions, real live diligence that we have just gone through with an actual potential portfolio company. Not only do we help with continuing education, but we actually help provide additional resources like VC jobs or even events throughout the actual country to give you a leg up.
I had the opportunity to attend a pitch competition. I talked to investors. I learned what they look for when investing in a startup.
We've seen a lot of success from the program. We've had fellows go on to join VC firms as associates, senior associates, and principals. We've had others that have actually started angel groups, as well as a couple that have actually joined family offices. Super excited to see your submission. Let us know if you have any questions.